Yes, welcome on my channel. And today's video I bought some motivational thoughts and quotes for you all. And इन थॉट्स से आपका माइंड रिफ्रेश हो जाएगा एज वेल एज आपके अंदर एक अलग ही एनर्जी आएगी, एक फोर्स आएगा. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट. सो फर्स्ट कॉल, अ लिटिल प्रोग्रेस ईच डे एड्स अप टू बिग रिजल्ट्स. आई होप जिनको आती होगी इंग्लिश दे विल अंडरस्टैंड, एंड जिन्हें नहीं आती है लेट मी नो, मैं समझा दूंगी. ओके, नाउ सेकेंड, आई होप देर आर डेज व्हेन योर कॉफ़ी टेस्ट लाइक मैजिक, your playlist makes you dance, strangers make you smile, and the night sky touches your soul. I hope there are days when you fall in love with being alive. Second, I won't do it, I can do it, I want to do it, how do I do it? I will try to do it, I can do it, I will do it, yes, I did it. So this is a stair process through which you can be a good person, you can make true your dreams, and if you stay positive in a negative situation, you win. If there is a negative situation in front of you and you stay positive, so you are the winner in that situation. When you forgive, you don't change the past, you change the future. सो दैट आपके रिलेशनशिप्स ख़राब ना हो. अगर आप किसी को माफ़ कर देते हैं, सो इट्स अ गुड डीड. Forgiveness is the best form of love. It takes a strong person to say they are sorry, and an even stronger person to forgive. We are all stories. In the end, just make it a good one. हम हर एक हम स्टोरी हैं, पर हमें उसका अंत अच्छा बनाना चाहिए. Two things define you: your patience when you have nothing and your attitude when you have everything. दो सिचुएशंस होती हैं जो आपको डिफाइन करती हैं. एक योर पेशेंस व्हेन यू हैव नथिंग, एक आपका पेशेंस जब आपके पास कुछ नहीं होता है, और एक आपका एटीट्यूड जब आपके पास सब कुछ होता है. बी with someone that makes you happy. Be someone that makes you happy. When one teaches to learn, don't forget while you are busy doubting yourself, someone else in admiring your strength. Feel content. Nobody gets everything they want. There will always be something. New problems arise. Instead of striving for perfection, strive for contentness. Find a way to be happy with what you already have, and you will always have exactly what you need. Do everything with a good heart and expect nothing in return, and you will never be disappointed. Pro tip, hashtag when you are not sure, flip a coin, because because while the coin is in the air, you release which one you are actually hoping for. You may not be there yet, but you are closer than you were yesterday. This is true, but so am I. Nobody is perfect. We make mistakes, we say wrong things, we fall, we get up, we learn, we grow, we move on, we live. I know everything happens for a reason, but some things I wish I knew what that reason was. Do and don't. So let me skip this, okay? It's too long for read. Memories are always special. Sometimes we laugh by remembering the days we cried, and we cry by remembering the days we laughed. That's life. Your last quarter, okay? So we will meet soon in another video. Till then, like my video, share my video, because you can share these thoughts to your friends and family, so that they also become refreshed in morning. And you can share anyone, you can take screenshot but don't forget to subscribe please for more quotes and thoughts. मैं बीच बीच में पोस्ट करती रहूँगी quotes. Never be ashamed of a scar. It simply means you were stronger than whatever tried to hurt you. Next पढ़ा दूँ कर दो. Okay, ये last है. Okay, last. Dreams as if you will live forever. Live as if you only have today. So this was for the today's video, and I will back super soon, and till then bye bye, see you. Like, share and subscribe and comment below how are the quotes and आपको इससे इंस्पिरेशन मिला कि नहीं. So bye bye.